2. Belum 3 lagi. Dah cepatlah. Okay.
Berapa orang?
Ni ada lagi seorang dah ni.
So 2 je ke?
3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Awak kena completekan 3 ni. Nanti ada hadiah, okey?
Oh, Uli, I have a mission for you. Come. Let's go in. Now, we need to find the treasure. But do you know where's the treasure? Wait, now, wait, now. See, now, we have the ancient map. We have been through the river, the Hong Kong Trek jungle, and also now we are in the land of adventure.